Okay, kita dah sampai. Kita kat mana ni? Main burung ke Penang. Let's go.
Girl, it's really good to see you come around. I know you've been lost, I'm glad you got found, 'cause I've been a little lost myself. Found an old picture of you on my phone. Got a new feeling now, I won't let go till I can tell you for myself. Why don't you stay for a while? It's been too long since I've smiled. There's too few people I trust. I won't ask you for too much, good conversation and such. And if I'm being honest,
Yeah, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls.
Morning.
Welcome to our Penang Bapak version.
Yay.
time to time you cross my mind. A good company is hard to find. From time to time you cross my mind. So stay with me just for the night.
Sabar-sabar.
Got an old record and a beat up sleeve. That same sad song that you sang to me back when you couldn't say it for yourself. Look, I'd be lying if I said to you that I know exactly what I should do. But I've set my whole heart on trying. Why don't you stay for a while? It's been too long since I've smiled. There's too few people I trust. I won't ask you for too much, good conversation and such. And if I'm being honest,
Kakak bersama dengan boy and the red.
from time to time you cross my mind. Good company is hard to find. From time to time you cross my mind. So stay with me just for the night.
Asya, tadi kita beli makanan berapa ringgit?
Satu makan yang macam apa? Apa panggil?
Macam tikam punya tu. Macam tikam. Berapa ringgit?
RM1.
Lepas tu boleh bagi burung berapa ekor?
Allah.
From time to time you cross my mind. Good company is hard to find.
Okay, ini ialah apa kakak? Yang last kali ialah titi kau? Yang kita kata last kali ialah titi.
From time to time you cross my